Welcome to Run Run Deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Alright you guys, when I say Run Run Deals have everything, they really do have everything. So I know there's a lot of people that are trying to be nail techs, and I love that. I love everyone trying to be an entrepreneur. With that being said, they have nail kits. Check this out. Alright you guys, as you can see, we have a nice nail kit and we're going to take a closer look. Alright you guys, this brand is called Modelone's Ideal Gel Polish Beginner Kit. And when I say beginner kit, it's a starter kit, so it's going to give you everything that you possibly need, but it might not be as much as you really want. So it's a starter beginner kit. So as you can see, it comes with a Sun Mini UV LED nail lamp. You're going to need that. It also comes with different polishes. We have a top coat, we also have the base coat, and we have the cuticle oil, all that good stuff that you will need to be the great nail tech. It also provides a couple of colors to go with it, a couple of cute colors that you should try out. I love this right here. This is what you need. We have a nail file, we have wraps, we have different brushes, clips, finger cutters, everything that you will need for your nail tech business. Alright you guys, I love this deal. I know some nail techs are going to love this deal. If I were you, I would make sure that I get that discount by going to Run Run Deals app, finding the nail kit that you would like, because there's several on there. Once you find it, go back to Amazon, put that code in, get that discount. Why wouldn't you do it?